Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 63 GMC C10. We actually restored this 14 years ago. Sold to a guy 13 years ago, and he called us the other day and he said he'd like sell this and a couple other vehicles back to us. So paint's got a great shine on it still for the age, and not many issues either. Maybe a few rock chip. There's a rock chip. See a little bit of how that does that in that seam, a little bit of surface rust there. I remember we had to replace, there you can see a little bubbling there, we had to replace some pieces on them where they all rusted. But pretty clean truck, nice and original. Seat's been recovered, original dash area. Radio, I remember we put them heater controls in new, so that was 13 years ago. So nice and clean and solid truck. There's the bed in it, all still looks good. Not many issues on this side, just some rock chips right there. Bumper maybe getting a little bit of rust there. You can see the same deal here, you get a little bit of that in the seams. And right here, he must have went along the garage, because there's right here the paint's chipped off right there. See that? So, but nice clean truck. Thing runs and drives great. 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Just goes down the road good, and just a nice running truck. 605-695-7391.